Today we are back with another episode on assignment operators in Java. Let's just start by creating the main.java file. And as always, let us create the boilerplate code. What are assignment operators? Assignment operators are just operators that we can use to assign a value to a variable. For example, we have learned about declaring and initializing a variable at the same time in the previous episode. For example, here I have declared a variable int a and also initialized a value 5. To see what is the content inside a, we can just print using system.out.print. Now if I compile and run this program, it will just print output 5. Output 5. This equal to symbol we have used here is the first assignment operator you will learn. We are assigning the value of 5 to the variable a using this assignment operator. Now let me introduce you to more assignment operators. Let's say if I want to change the value of a, I can just type a equals, let's say 10. Now even though we have assigned a value of 5, after this line we have assigned the value of 10 to the same variable. So now a become 10. Now if I compare it and run it, it will be printing 10. In the previous episodes, we have learned about arithmetic operators, right? Let's say if I want to add 5 to the integer a, then we can write plus 5 here. Now a will become 10 plus 5. That is 15. You know what? We don't even need this line because we are essentially avoiding the use of the already assigned variable 5 because we are assigning a fresh numbers, that is 10 and 5. Now imagine this scenario where we had to add 5 to the existing number of a. Let me explain you. Like this. To avoid confusion, let me make it maybe 3. Now it will be printing 8, right? Because the value of a is 5 and we have added 3 to the value of a. A equal to the value of a plus 3. A equal to 5 plus 3. A equal to 8. Now it will be printing 8. 8. There is a shortcut for this line. Instead of writing a again, we can use an add and assign operator to make this line shorter. What is an add and assign operator? An add and assign operator looks something like this. A plus symbol and an equal to symbol. What this essentially does is that it will just add the value which is 3 to the variable a. A equals a plus 3 is the same as a plus equals 3. These both lines do the same thing. Let's test it. Output 8. Now I hope you will be already knowing what is a subtract and assign operator is. Just have to replace this plus sign with minus sign and now it will be subtracting 3 from the already existing value of a, which will be a equal to a minus 3, a equal to 5 minus 3, a minus equal to 3, or are the same, which is 2. Output 2. There is also multiply and assign. What it will do? A equals a into 3. A equals 5 into 3. That will be 15. Output 15. If I change this value to let's say 2, then what will be the value of a while it's printing? It will be a equal to a into 3 or a equal to 2 into 3, which will be 6. Output 6. The another one is divide and assign. Since 3 is not a multiple of 2, let's use another example. Let's use 15. 15 by 3 will be 5. So a equal to a by 3, a equal to 15 by 3. That will be 5. Output 5. And the last important assignment operators you have to remember is modulus and assign. it is represented by percentage equal to symbol. If we divide the value of a with 3, the remainder will be 0 because 3 is a perfect multiple of the number 15. Now what if I use 4? If we divide 15 by 4, the quotient will be 3 and the remainder will be 3. What this modulus equal to symbol does is just a equal to a modulus 4. This line uses a shorter code, right? That is the exact reason why we use modulus and assign operator. Instead of writing this long line, we can avoid writing a again and making the code bigger. We can just use modulus and assign operator. Now it will be just printing output 3. Output 3. Let's say 20. Now output will be 0 because 4 is a perfect multiple of the number 20. Output 0. What if it's 23 and let's change to 6? It's printing 5. Now there are many assignment operators other than the 6 I have mentioned here. They are bitwise and shifting operators, but they are not that used in real-world programming in most of the application we use daily. So these are the main Java assignment operators you have to remember. They are assign operator, add-and assign operator, subtrahend assign operator, multiply and assign operator, divide and assign operator, and modulus and assign operator. These 6. Well, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.